Hello everyone and welcome. I am Pushpak Pandit and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Being Bookish. So, this is the third video of linear inequations. In the first video, I gave you all the basic things which are required to keep in mind before starting this chapter. And in the second video, I gave you that how you can represent a natural number, a whole number or even an integer on a number line. Also, in that video only, I have shown you that how you can solve inequations which contain two conditions at a time. I know most of you might have trouble in solving a linear inequation which contains two conditions at one time, but don't worry, watch that video and you will understand that how you can easily find to solve those types of questions. Okay, so this is the third lecture of linear inequations, and particularly in this video we will understand that how to represent real numbers on number line. Remember that if you look over previous year maths paper of ICSE board, you will find that most of the questions which appeared from linear inequations contained real number in that question. Okay, so it is very important to understand that how you can represent real number on number line, and it is a very important thing. So let's see how you can solve. But wait, before proceeding to the examples, let me discuss something about real numbers. Means what are real numbers? A real number is something which you have seen till now. Means all the numbers which you have seen till now are all a part of real numbers. Suppose I give you some positive number like 10. That is also a real number. A negative value like -10. That is also a real number. Value like 0. That is also a real number. Now, talking about point values. Are point values also a part of real number? Of course. Suppose I give you 4.6. Is that a real number? Of course. That is also a real number. Minus 4.6. Is that a real number? Of course. That is also a real number. So, real number is all the values. Positive, negative, 0, point values, negative point values, all are considered to be a real number. Now, see the example. Suppose I give you a condition, and according to this condition, x is greater than equals to 2 and x is less than equals to 5. X is greater than equals to 2 but is less than equals to 5, where x belongs to real number. Now you have to represent this on a number line. So first of all, find the solution set. Solution set means what? What are the values which we will get from this? So this implies that x will have 2, 3, 4 and also 5. So these are the values of x according to this condition. Now let us represent it on a number line. I drew a number line here. See carefully. -2, -1, some random values, 0, 1, 2, 3. Let me extend it here, 4, 5. Okay, this is enough. Now, how we are going to represent a real number? Understand it very carefully, because representation of real number on a number line is something different. Okay, something different from natural number, whole number and integer. Starting from 2, make a dot here, thick dot, so that it is visible, and 5 is also contained. 2 is also there, so 5 is also there. Okay, I will take more examples. Okay, I will take lots and lots examples so that you can be very clear about real number representation. So 2 is also there, 5 is also there. Okay, now you need to do like this. Okay, you need to do like this, means the line should also be something like dotted. Okay, it should also be thicker. Okay, so you need to do nothing but just you need to make this line a little look like thick. Okay, so this line should look thick, and so you need to do like this, 2 till 5, and that's all. This is how we represent a real number. So in integers, you know, if you watched my previous video, what we did there. Suppose I tell you that x belongs to an integer, then you would have done what? Suppose it is 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we just need to make dots on the points 2, 3, 4, 5. But here in case of real number, we not only have to make dots here, but we'll have to make thick this line also, which comes in between 2 and 5. Okay, you can clearly understand what am I trying to say. Okay, so this is how we represent a real number in a basic level. Now let us have a look on some more examples also. Now see a good example. Suppose now we have been given this condition that x is greater than or equals to 2 but is only less than 5, where x of course belongs to real number. Okay, and now we have to represent this on a number line. Now what you are going to do? Of course 2 is there, so make a thick dot here. 2 is there, that is good, but x is less than 5. Now see what real number plays. Okay, how real number plays with us. We will think that 2 will be, this line will extend till here, first of all, till 4 it is okay. We need to make this line a little thicker. Okay, so we have made it till 4. What about 5? Should we leave 5 or should we go till 5? The answer is that we should reach till 5, not exactly 5 but till 5. But why is that? I only told you in the beginning that x belongs to real number. Okay, and real number is what? Which contains all decimal point values also. So don't you think that if x is less than 5, will it not contain some values like 4.4, 4.6, 4.7, all it will go till 4.99? Of course, it will have values less than 5 but will go till point values also like 4.4, 4.6. Okay, so means it will extend more, it will extend ahead of 4 also. Are you getting what I am trying to say? Means x is less than 5, that is clear, but x belongs to which type of number system? Real number system, and real number has decimal point values also. So that means that x will extend from 4 till ahead also. And now as it does not belong to 5, see here, now is the important thing. As x does not belong to 5, make a circle here, not a dot. I think you can differentiate between a circle and a dot. A circle is like this, okay, and a dot is fully this. Okay, so you need to make a circle and extend and meet this line till this circle, because x is less than 5. So wherever you will find that something x is less than that number, you make a circle on that number and extend this line till there. Okay, so this is the procedure to exactly do the representation of this type of question. Now let us see one more question. Now see a more good question than the previous. In this question there is a slight change. What I have done is that removed all the equal to sign. Now x is just greater than 2 and x is just less than 5, and obviously x belongs to real number, as you can see. Now you have to represent this on the number line. Remember, real number, okay, keep in mind. And now I think most of you might have found some hint. See, x is only greater than 2, x is just greater than 2 but not equal to 2. So will it occupy 2 completely? Means if it occupied it completely, we will make a dot. Okay, but if it will not occupy it completely, we will just need to make a circle. So make a circle on 2. Now x is just less than 5, x is not equal to 5, so x is just less than 5, so just make a circle here. And why we are making circle, I think I have already told you. Okay, because it's not that x is greater than 2, it doesn't mean that x will go till only 3 only. Okay, it will extend to some point values also, so that's why we are making some circles. Now just make this line a little bit look thicker. Okay, just like this, and that's it. Okay, that's it you need to do for this question. Okay, so I hope the things are getting cleared as I am taking good examples. Okay, now let's see some more. Okay, so I have already covered 3 types of inequations which you may be asked to represent it on the number line. I hope that you have seen it very clearly. Okay, so this is the fourth type and perhaps the last type of question. Okay, understand that type of question which you may be asked that it belongs to real number and now represent this type of question on the number line. So we just have been given that x is greater than 2 and now we have to represent it on the number line. How we are going to do this? Very easy. See, first of all, x is greater than 2, that it will go, it will take 3, 4 and ahead values. But also we know that it is a real number, so it will also take some point values after 2. Okay, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 like that. So first of all, x is greater than 2, so make a circle here. Made a circle. Now we will go till where? We will go till where? Because we have not been given the other condition. X is greater than 2 means what? 3, 4 and then till infinity. We have to go till infinity. So in this type of situation, what you need to do means how you will represent it on the number line. Just make thick dots here, thick dot, make this line a little darker, and also this arrow sign, make it also a darker. Okay, make this line also look darker. And so this is how you will be able to represent this type of question on a number line. So I am not going to solve any question in the video. I have already taught you that how you can solve a linear inequation in the first 2 videos, and you can definitely watch them. Link will be provided in the description box. And in this video the main motive was to tell you that how you can represent a real number on a number line. See, whenever you will get a question, the first thing is to solve a linear inequation. Whether the x belongs to any type of number system, real, whole, natural or integer, the first condition is to solve a linear inequation correctly. Okay, and then upon the condition which you get, you need to represent it on the number line. And whether it belongs to whole, natural or integer, I have already told you that how you can represent them on the number line. And talking about the real number, that is discussed in this video. So but if you have any doubt, you can definitely comment down in the description box, or you can Gmail me also using the Gmail which I have given in the description box. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope that you liked the video, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel, because you are going to get lots and lots of videos in this channel. Thank you.